You're scrolling through YouTube looking for ways and methods to earn money online. After searching for a while, you came across this video and started watching it. You now have 3 options while watching this video. First, you can just exit and skip this video since you find this either boring or uninteresting. Second, you watch through the whole video but don't understand anything and just find a different video instead. Or, you can choose the third option, where you can watch through the whole video, understand the concept of making money online and apply this, and start earning hundreds of dollars through passive income all from the comforts of your home. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a very simple idea, like a book, into thousands of dollars every single month. So if you want to learn how to make money online, make sure you watch this entire video because I'll walk you through everything step by step. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can make a simple book and turn it into passive income so that you can make money even while you sleep. This strategy has worked for a lot of people, and I will be showing you how you can do the exact same thing step by step. The first thing that you want to do is you want to come over to Amazon.com. Now when you enter the site, find this drop-down menu entitled All on the upper left side of your screen and click it. Scroll down the menu and find the Kindle e-readers and Books tab. This will give you another drop-down menu and scroll down and select the Kindle Books tab. What I'm going to show you today is how people are finding a variety of different ideas with different Kindle books. These books don't have to be necessarily published and illustrated by you, but they can come from other companies and authors as well. I'm going to show you where you can do all of this for a few dollars and get a passive income strategy. But before we do that, the first thing that you need to do with this strategy is you need to find a niche. Scroll over here to the Kindle eBooks menu on the left-hand corner of the screen. And if you scroll down over here, you can see a lot of different categories and where you can select your niche from. There are many different niches that you can do this. If you're having a hard time selecting what niche or category would benefit you, you can scroll down over here to the bestseller category and take a look from here. Once you've finally selected your niche, come back over to the categories menu and select your chosen niche. For this video, I will be sticking with the children's ebooks. Once you click on the category of your niche, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. You first see the bestsellers related to the category you have chosen, followed by new releases. A quick tip before proceeding is to research trending and highly rated books related to your niche. This is where some people make mistakes, since the book or category they selected is not that well known and not trending. Another quick tip is to check the reviews of the books also. As you can see here, you can click on the stars and reviews under the book. You can read the positive and 5-star reviews. But I do recommend that you also read the negative and 1-star reviews as well, as this will show you what the readers like and dislike about the book. This is so whenever you start finding or writing your own book, you know what to do and what to avoid. You can learn from others' mistakes, so just click on the stars and ratings of your choice and read their reviews. Next, I want to show you how well and how much money these books are actually making. So if you come over here and click on this book over here as an example, what you're going to find here is that there are a few ways that they sell this book. This book sells on Kindle for $6.47. Now Kindle give these sellers a rating based on how well a specific book sells. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, I want to show you what number rating this book is, and what that means for the person that's selling this book. Now you can see here that its bestseller rank is number 98. As you can see here, they have a seller rating on Amazon. If you're a seller, and if you've got a seller rating of anything from 50,000 to 100,000, it means you're selling one book a day. This person has a seller rating of 98, which belongs in the 35 to 200 seller rating category. As you can see in this category, it says here that the seller approximately sells between 300 to 1,000 books every single day. Now earlier we saw that the Kindle price of the book was $6.47. If you multiply that number by the minimum number of copies that can be sold in a day, which is 300, the seller can earn at least $1,941 in a single day. That's crazy! Now do take note that Amazon takes 30% of the total earnings, meaning that you have 70% of the total profit. If you multiply that number by 70%, you get $1,358, which is still actually really big. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to be instantly making this money online, but I'm saying that this is possible, and you can replicate this exact same strategy. So how are you going to get your book published? How are you going to get any children's book or any book onto Amazon? If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now what you can do to get your book published is you first need to head over to this site called KDP Amazon, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. What makes this site so trusted and so cool is that it can be accessed from almost anywhere in the world. And you can easily publish your book in less than just minutes. And it will be up over on Kindle with other books within 24 to 48 hours after publishing. All you need to do is just create an account and sign up for KDP Amazon. Now the last thing that you need to do is obviously you need to create a book. Now there's a couple of options that you can do. Option number 1 is you can go and create your own book. But if you don't know how to write your own book, there are several places that you can do this. One option is to head over to Fiverr.com. On Fiverr, you can search for a ghostwriter to write your book. Now if you search children's books ghostwriter, there are a lot of options and services that can ghostwrite your own children's books. They all come in different price range from $10, $20, all the way up to $1,000, $100, and higher. Now remember that the children's book is a short book that should be written in at least 250 or 700 words, or generally less than 1,000 words. Now once you have found a ghostwriter for your children's book, you need to add illustration and color to your book. And you can also find illustrators on Fiverr. Just search again Children's Books Illustrator, and there will be hundreds of options and services to choose from, each varying in different price ranges. Now once you have done all of that, congratulations! Your book is done, and you can now finally upload and publish this on Kindle and Amazon. After publishing your book, what you can do to create and generate more money with your book is to promote your book. You need to market and advertise your book to the public, and you can do this through different ways and strategies. You can do this through Facebook, Twitter, Quora, and many more. One easy way is to join Facebook groups. Find and search for Facebook groups related to children's books and moms looking for children's books. This way, you will be able to market and advertise your ebook to more people and the public. This is a very quick video, but a very powerful strategy that I want to give you. These are all the steps that you can do so that you can make money online in 2021. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.